Hey y'all, so I just wanted to show you some of the things that I got for Christmas. So I got this white bar stool chair. It's leather. It's perfect for like my vanity setup. My vanity setup to be. So it's cute or whatever. This is what I look like in it. Kirsten, come spin me. Come film me in my chair. Oh yeah, and this is what else I got. I got a vanity mirror. I haven't asked my dad for a vanity mirror for a very long time. I told him I wanted a vanity mirror before I even got like furniture. And that is exactly what I got. This is what she looks like. She's dimmable. And it has a speaker so I can attach like my phone to it and play some music off of my phone. Yeah, but those are like my furniture items that I got for Christmas. Really excited. Hey y'all, so I forgot that I was supposed to be vlogging, but thankfully my mom reminded me. I'm currently making brownies. I have been waiting to make these brownies for like 2 days. So we got the brownie mix going. I'm basically eyeballing everything because I don't have my proper materials. So hopefully they taste good. Giving the camera to my mom. So the footage look crazy. Y'all can't do nothing because y'all can't talk about my mom. But anyways, so we're making some double fudge brownies. I should about the other ones actually. The caramel ones. The turtle ones. I feel like people would have liked that better. But anyways, we're making some double fudge brownies and I'm just mixing everything together. I already put everything in a pan with this bowl. I put everything in the bowl. We're making the fudgy brownies instead of the cake-like brownies. We really don't know the difference, but... You changed her words? No. While there's still some sort of light outside, I'm going to show y'all what I've gotten for Christmas so far. Ooh, that's a nice picture. Anyways. Okay, so we got this MAC Smarty Pants eyeshadow palette. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. Super duper cute. My cousin's pulling up. Hopefully they don't hit me. But this is what it looks like. There's a face, like eye highlighter palette over here. 3 mattes and like 5 shimmers. Next, we got another little MAC eyeshadow palette. I've never tried MAC eyeshadow, so this will be interesting. And this is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3. 3 mattes, 6 shimmers. Cool tone, so I don't know if I'm going to use this, to be quite honest with you, because I'm not a cool tone shawty, but we'll see. I got some candles from White Barn. One of the candles that I got is peppermint marshmallow, and y'all know I love me a good Bath and Body Works candle. It smells good. Yes, you can.
It smells good.
What does it smell like?
It smells like mint.
Yeah, it's peppermint marshmallow. Perfect. And then this one is marshmallow fireside. Everybody knows this is a cult favorite.
It smells like what do you call it?
Like vanilla?
No, not vanilla. Lavender.
Lavender. I can see that. I can see that. I can see it smelling like lavender. That's a couple of my other gifts, if you guys wanted to know.
Bye, fine Chanellies.
Hey y'all, so it's kind of dark. I apologize. I'm in my house and I just came from Christmas dinner with the fam. We played some card games. It got real intense and I'm a really competitive person, so I could not record that. Like, I'm sorry. I couldn't do it. But I want to show y'all what else I got for Christmas. Okay, y'all, let me just go ahead and show y'all the rest of the stuff that I got for Christmas. So my mom bought me some work shoes. These cute little flats. Like a loungewear set. And it says, Dear Santa, I tried. Ain't that so cute? And then it has like matching shorts, a hat, and some socks. So I also got a Sephora gift card from my cousin because y'all know I got some earrings, some nice gold dangly earrings. These cute little cherry earrings. This remind me of Beyonce. I got a gold necklace. Y'all know I have a nice little gold necklace collection, so that is perfect. Isn't this everything? This is like the perfect New Year's Eve outfit. So even though I recorded that video and I showed y'all one outfit, I can actually wear this in real life because it's super duper cute. The back is out and everything. It is a look, sis. Overalls. It goes all the way down to some pants. And last but certainly not least of what my sister got me, this was the biggest gift. She got me the James Charles palette from Morphe. I was not expecting this at all. And now I have it, so y'all already know. Y'all gonna get a video from me about this palette. So that is all that I got for Christmas. I think that I showed y'all every single thing. I would love to know what y'all got for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching my 8 Days of Christmas marathon. I really enjoyed it. It's a lot of work. It is a lot of work to post every single day, but it really encouraged me to just like post more on my channel. Oh, before I end this vlog, I need to pick a giveaway winner. So the website I'm using is called T-Wrench. I just said you must be following me on here and IG and RT this tweet. Okay, so I think all the elements are there, and I'm going to choose the giveaway winner. All right, let's do the draw. This person, it says Wolfgang Haley. So let me see if this person also follows me on Instagram. Is this the same girl? Yes, she follows me on Instagram as well. So she is the winner. Let me go ahead and tweet her. All right, y'all. So I did choose the giveaway winner, and her name is Wolfgang Haley. Tweet is there. Well, that is it. That is the last thing that I had to do for this video. Thank you so much for watching my 8 Days of Christmas marathon. I'm so glad that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it anyways. And I'll see you guys in 2019.